Hey everybody, it's your boy Casey, CTD Graphics, and I'm excited to come back to you guys with another package. It has been definitely a long time. And as you guys know, if you've been with me, some of you may be new, but for those of you that have been with me, I've been creating templates and stuff for some time, but I actually took a little break. So this is my first template package I'm bringing back out to you guys. And this is my pre-made font template package. So what I first want to say is with these templates here, I want people to understand what I'm not doing is I am not selling fonts. That's not what this is. We're not selling fonts. What I'm doing is I'm actually selling you guys the template creation of the font. Meaning, so if you downloaded this or you purchased this app and you open this, more than likely when you open this, your font, you'll still have this type of style, but you may not have the font. But that's okay because what I did for you guys is I created pretty much to where you can go in here and I got where you can go and get the fonts from. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to www.thefont.com. That's where you're going to download all of your fonts from. So for instance, I'm going to just go and I'm going to show you guys real quickly. It's a real simple step on how you download it and how you install the font to your computer. So first, let's go real quickly here. Stop sharing here. All right, let's go right here. All right, right here, the font. Okay, so we're just gonna randomly download. Let's see. Well, I don't like any of these, but I'm just gonna look. Let's see. Let's see what their top fonts are. Okay, these are their top fonts. So we're going to. I feel like I have that. 90% of these fonts I already have. I do like this. Let's download Iceland. Okay. So I'm going to download Iceland. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go find my folder. So it should automatically download to your computer. So once that downloads to your computer, we're going to go and let me get it, the folder. Hold up. I'll click right here. Okay. Open this up a little bit. And there you go. You got a zip file. So what you want to do is you want to double click that. Once you double click that, it should automatically open up and you should see another folder. Once you see the other folder, you're going to click inside there and you should see this font. So if you guys have what I have, you're going to need to go to the applications and you're going to need to find your font book. Click on your font book. Let me share that. Now, once you click on your font book, you're going to click the cross right there and it's going to open up this. You're going to go right there to downloads. And you're going to click in there and you're going to basically click that and it should automatically open for you guys. So now let's go, let's exit out of here. Let's go back to Photoshop. So I'm going to type in, what is it, Iceland. There we go. So let's say, for instance, I want to change this font to Iceland, the new font I just downloaded. There you go. So I'm saying that to say, guys, pretty much all of the fonts, you can go download them from this site. but I've already created the template for you guys, meaning so you don't have to go through any work on designing any of like the fonts. So because I've created them for you. So all you got to do now is just pretty much type in your information. You can use these fonts for t-shirts. You can use them for whatever. This is one of my favorite fonts right here, the pop out. This is like a platinum one I created, but it's so many in there. Make sure you guys take a look. Also, I would love for you guys to share with me, some of, y'all creations, what y'all create with it. I want to see y'all creativity. You can also change the colors on these too. Keep in mind, you don't have to keep the same exact color. So you can just double click right there where it's airbrush. Like right here, I used a pink gradient, but you can go inside here and if you want to change the color to that, you can change the colors to so many different things. I pretty much just created the platform idea and the design for you guys. Like, you know what I'm saying? The template to make it more gloss and make it look more, just clean and stylish for you. So you can change it to whatever you want to change it to. But if you have any questions, guys, please feel free to email me at ctdgraphicx.com. And yes, let's work. I want to see you guys do your big one with this. I got so many more like different templates that's going to be coming out. This is 2025. So, I want to wish you all a happy new year and just the utmost success on whatever it is that you guys have going on.